Quite often in Photoshop you'll be selecting something, working on it, then want to deselect it. You can just click anywhere. You can have the selection tool active, click anywhere and deselect. An easier way is the keyboard shortcut. On a PC it's Control D for deselect or Command D on the Mac. So I'm going to hit Control D and deselect my selection there. Just two more things on this rectangular marquee tool. First of all, if I hold down the Shift, I have it active. I hold down the Shift key, click, hold, and drag. I make a perfect square. Okay. Let me Control D to deselect. Hit the drop-down menu on the rectangular marquee tool, and there's the elliptical tool. The single row and single column, I hardly ever use that, but the elliptical tool does have use. You can choose that. Yes, you can. You draw ellipses. I mean, that's no kidding, right? But if you hold down the Shift key, Shift, click, hold, drag, you'll make a perfect circle. But here's one more thing. I'm going to hit Control D or Command D on the Mac to deselect. I'm going to make a perfect circle, but suppose I know exactly where I want the center of that circle is, and you'll be using this does have a use in your work in Photoshop. Say I want a perfect circle and I want it centered right on the pupil of Zach's eye here, so I'll put the cursor, have the ellipse marquee tool enabled, cursor's right where I want it in the center. I want the center of the circle here. Hold down Shift, and on the PC Alt, or on the Mac Option. So Shift, Alt, or Option. Click, hold, and drag, and now the center of the circle is where I originally had my cursor. Okay, so that's a handy thing to know too. Let me deselect. Place the cursor where you want the circle's center. Hold down Shift, Alt, or Option. Click, hold, and drag, and you have a circle placed exactly where you want it.